Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to play Fishing Planet with friends. So let's start with the first step, which is to launch Fishing Planet and navigate to the main menu. So from here, you just have to look for the multiplayer or friends options. And then this is where you will find all the co-op fishing features. So you just have to make sure that you and your friends have the latest game version. Next step is go to your friends list and then add your fishing buddies using their in-game username or platform ID. So you can also link your Steam friends for easier invites. So you can send friend requests before starting, then they need to accept to join your session. Next step is create a private fishing session by selecting a lake and setting up a room. So you can choose your location, time of day, and weather conditions for a perfect fishing experience. Next step is once the room is created, you can send invites to your friends from the in-game menu and they will receive notifications and they can also join your fishing spot directly. Lastly is you can enjoy fishing together. So you can use voice chat or the in-game text to chat to communicate with your friends while fishing. So you can also share tips, compare catches, and have fun exploring different fishing spots as a group. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!